Whoa, we're 8-bit? I kind of like this. We're going old school, man.
Yeah, whatever, geek. I'm out of here.
Hey, hold up. What's the hurry?
I got a bad feeling about this place.
Damn it, you might be right. Turn around. What the hell's happening?
It's going down, princess. Hey, what's that yellow box down there?
Just don't mess with it, okay? Could be something dangerous and poisonous. No, don't shoot it! Ah! Oh, power up. Nice going, bro. Whew. I think we got them all. I think we're safe.
Oh yeah, real safe. Look behind you.
Oh, no. What is it?
This is war!
This gap's too long. We're gonna have to sync up. Jump! Get this guy off me! I can't move!
Hold on.
So it looks like we're kind of surrounded?
Well, there's only one thing left to do then.
What?
Kill them all.
I knew you were gonna say that. Got a bogey at 9 o'clock!
Follow me. To hell!
That's the sirens, bro! I think this is the final stage!
Anything moves, shoot it!
Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more 8-Bit Gun Brothers. Also, click like now. Make sure you write down in the comments below who you think we should fight in the next level.